So if you ever wondered what it's like living inside of a tiny home village, or maybe even owning your own. So I'm super excited to share with you this video to show you a little bit about what this tiny home community feels like and what the homes feel like. And maybe you could get a little bit of a taste for if that could be a sense for you. Hey, so we've all heard it before. There's a lot of buzz around the tiny home communities, tiny home villages. And I wanted to get a first-person look at one of them myself. So I went to one of the newest tiny home communities in the Tampa Bay area just to see what it was like. I was blown away by how many people were there. We had an open house window of about 3 hours that we could go and take a look. And it was a line to get in the place and a line to get out. There were so many people that were interested. And so I wanted to make a video about it in case you have interest and show you a little bit about what I saw, some of the designs, and some of the interesting features and facts about that. So with that, let's dive in. I'm going to take you on a tour of a couple of these homes, and I'll give you some information about the community along the way. So I created a shorts video on these tiny homes a little while ago, and we got such good feedback and so many people liked it that I wanted to do a little bit more in depth to show you the ins and outs of these tiny homes, what it would be like living in it, interacting with it just a little bit more. So here we are. Now, once again, I want to recap on some of the details of these homes. So they range anywhere from 250 to 650 square feet. This is one of the smaller ones, probably the smallest. So this is around 250 square feet, and you can see it's got fridge, full kitchen, one bedroom, so you can sleep a couple people. If you really wanted to slam a few more in, you could maybe bring a sleeping bag or some cots, but outside of the bedroom, there's really not much space to sleep people. So that would kind of be the lifestyle that you're taking on. The other thing is these are really considered an RV. So they have wheels on them, they have a trailer hookup. You can hook these up to a truck and you can haul them off to wherever you want. You can see they do have a built-in deck, which really makes it feel more like a home. You can see right there, and less of like a trailer, but they are mobile. So you can take these around, you can put them in the mountains, you can do whatever you want with them. They range in price from around $70,000 to $165,000. This is one of the larger units we're looking at. You can see it's got the upstairs now. You're gonna see my 5-year-old here. He is only 5, standing up, and he's maybe a couple inches from the top. So no adult can stand up there, but you can put a couple beds. You can sleep a few more people up there. But I imagine great vacation properties if you want to use them as like an Airbnb or something like that. Or if you really want that minimalist lifestyle, definitely an option for you. So hope you enjoy this video, get to see some of the details, and let me know in the comments below what you think about them. And would be curious to really see the feedback and what the general population is. I know the tiny homes have a lot of traction, a lot of curiosity around them right now. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in our next video. All right, that wraps up this video. Thanks for taking the time to watch it. I hope you learned a thing or two about tiny homes. I know I sure did. And most of all, got to see firsthand what these things would look like, what it would feel like living inside one. I don't think they're right for me, but hey, as a vacation rental or something like that, I think they could make a lot of sense. So if you want to know more, I'm going to put my information on the screen. I'm not a master of this, but I can lead you in the right direction, whether you're wanting something like this in the Tampa Bay area, or maybe want to start something like that yourself. So feel free to reach out to me to ask any questions. I can definitely get you the right contacts for people who can answer. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.